Badom TV Badwam Jumade so and the radio assistant so wama dia chia nkwane ahoden ekraye ne yede hyase wo dwumade no mu ye kase no nsam na do so ne to dwa mu bi ya wo betini wono mo ahwewie mu nsakraye so de atudwa se nempo ano honom no ene ye behunu ne ebesie wo ho yede ho nsam no ebebro na fe yakọ aboom ne sankore ekwan no kromafo chese kwan nye ti amane man hyada nkoyi ma won eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo hwa me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 wo YouTube Adom TV 2 ubenya yen wo ho medin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsem ni chemo ankasa etie Ghana metiofo de atudwa se ene yenhwe ni mo se empona no ho no eniema ahodo bi ebekoso ewo ho mframa ebo ni nsuaso kire no se de ebeye eno emu ensem eno no Adom TV kase edebe
na meteorological agency ediamanebo ababetudwa na womo echedia enebnada mebosome ne de toso aduonu baako wa fimpinu ani aduonu nan emu ena wokwada mebosome ne de toso aduonu mienu wa fimpinu ani aduonu nan mu no eposo ebisifa yehu ne senti ona mamanebo yiso de kokobo ema wono ma wom etempo ano se ene ena wochena womo hwe wom ho eyepa se wo chiremu adia se de nkade bia ne poaso chene abono Ennaimi no anu abeye dempa na sasoso ena nsuare beba asase so no ebedoso pa na weposochi ya no babeye din ho no ejapade bebre na ne betumi asei sasoso ne betumi age nipa nkwa ade firi wo mu ensem eno no wenda nchen no current no soso no beye den no ebetumi amana ye den de ma wono ma omeye omadwen se omokopo ne mu akwakodware ebiemo no emiamia bi ebenpo na womun sase na ewo fom no epo no betimi atwensio ade akọ no ma eno so betimi ade nsemone ne senti orikokobo ema wono ma wodi wonjuma ewo aposo senkebeya womun nyanya ne da ho ne ahweye enam yenu no emu na ansa no mbema kwan ma obi akọpọ ne so no womo homodi ya hwese bibia no ededa na akwem se de beya yenti asembo na bia na sanso so na nema bia ehun behia ndam yenu bia nso womo homodi ya se wo mu ebe obi
Mayentu akase no so na de hye ya wo mo abo mu asunafo south mensimu ahafomante mu se nnede wo mo hu sakraye bia ewo won mo abrabom ni nyina no egina wo mo kwan na enyenti wo se abo mu de kosankore kwan no wona afa so di hu adanse enye kra enobaye na kamu enti wo mu ntime nkomfa ma emeton kra no wonya so mfa so Adom TV etwaso
ekwan ne de enye Yakofani mani ye bakora na ka ni timi beka afodo abeposo ama esi amante ebu okra ye ne mani timi sai
ye lodo ne mana ye obepa bi wo ye ne ye fro afodo abepose ensuo to a jese ye koda ho bode so hwe bode egu he ya ye twa na enura se ka edi na nsan okwa me bedu nkran no na abre nti ama ye yutufo no adwuma na ye no ye se ye peska no so ye bekwa ba ne ya boka
Yakofa mu kra ne eba eduru kwa mu anaka na se esuo nsuo kra tumi gu so na emu ni nyina asai bode na ekwa na bode no so akasi kwan so go tanko a jesi ye soa ye ho kɔbɔ amena ema nsuo ne telefon ansan ya twa
wo mo asan ade tudwa se ena mo kwan a enye ya wo maka ho asɛm ampenifo anhwɛnyɛ ye no afiu abato no enya ade a wo mo beto aba no
ba cho abo mu kwan no yese contractor abaso enso ye hu adwuma bi o mo ye ti ese contractor abaso dia o ma ne ho nya ha no wanya kwanya sa afia ba ne yento
ata de abaso so wanya hwe mfidie ni sisi so kwa anom ne nam krom ya se enso ye hu adwuma bi o mo ye eti asro mo so mo aye pa ne ye ble kwa ne de nya kora nya
yesra se omba mo ho aye ha ewo kwan no ho asese se nsuo betoto enye bedu be beka se nsuo to tie ntimi nya kwan so mo asifam de a omunsi no munsi ne yie
Organized labor so ediato so ye employment anim se ni manimi ya na dwempo bi asnet mpanufo won ma fa se won hotels ahodo be 9 won ton de ama owura bran ne champon no wohwe na wo mo enyan te sa demonstration mo den eno mbeye etia won
the two minister ojina ho ma pension ono aso no ojina ho ma employment and labor relations ye the two nanim say animoni mu yai on country Senate board say saa de na ekoso omuntwa so na yen tra ho ma Senate board approve say yen ton Senate hotels and farmer sabi minister
and wachi or kokobo ema Minister of Employment sese wanhwe na de ekosi wafo na no antomo bia won so beka won ho abom ayo ye kire wo maika na mu a ebeje wo mo ensem
the country minister say wanhwe amma Senate board no antwa saade no so ene na che say ye beti atua na atua na ye beti no Ghana fo hu bi da if you say yen tra ho ma adwumayefo sika nipa miensa bi enkoton emma sebi nipa baako
sabe na asumdue bekoso yeboa ye ho awie ni ato aba awie asumdue be ye adwuma na fe basabasa bi ensiso nteno ne ya make say National Commission for Civic Education NCC wonoma power interparty dialogue committee eho entoma ye election 2024 sabe ya ye ho mansini ni amantamu ye betumi abo ye ho eban ne edi nkomo a ede asumdue ebeba wo yabato Adom TV etwaso
ya ti say omo operate wo district wo communities sanasa election hu assembly ba was our districts and as our communities na hona no more na ya omo afre from hu no matenase no mo isiesi asem no ansa na asem no beko enim akodane asem foforo because na make no political parties na omo representative was ade no mo inti no but ejuma sa ejuma no enye ejuma bi a obeti ne nka say ye dede ade kese bi dede but sa niama nkitenkese enu na ehia say do sa point we in elections and yet sometimes enye ade big event no enye no nko na ye de ye election but niama say imagine say wo district bi obi ni party bi de ne poster ko tare baby no obi so de ne poster betare so na akoye kasakasa so obi a nko kan bi ma yan solve problem no wo ho a be hwa na adane from inkasakasa no na abeye ntokwa
wasan ede efutuo ema amanyokofo ne se wom enwe se abato a edru ho a wom ede sika hyemu no wom ntwemo emfrim
di politics no mu enye sika ye de print poster na bibiba sika ye de cheche manipa sika so a nipa na nkasa voters no so omo demand sesi ana omo ntwenkra na wabeka se o jiwe ono etwa ni number ato se we na sese wo mame sa de enye ye dangerous we sa na ya ton ye ho obi beka ko fasika wetumi akofa sika efi ebia eyi drug cartel ebe so akobe bia akofa sika efi criminal activity bi na odiaba okita sika inti no na ya elect no na afedie za nipa no na edi enim ebe den no man no ayeyie
wa batwo no mu nsɛm no ɛyɛ national chief imam nso de kokɔbɔ pa na ɛma mabu no sɛ ne ho kwan sɛ uma umanyoni bi ɛde wo ɛyɛ adwuma be wie kyerɛ di wo ana mo yahwe go bi ɛbɛba ɛwɔ abato
ɔman ne hia yɛyi yɛdie nti na yɛyɛ nti emfata sɛ yɛbɛto abanti na yɛatwe sekan ana yɛafɔpɔti ba ana bibia yɛde kum yɛnua ana yɛbɛhwere ne moja ɛna yɛkyerɛ sɛ me chief imam waka kyerɛ sɛ afiwa aba yɛbɛto no yɛnhwɛ an sɛ moja kitua kura no enso ɛwɔ yɛsase no so nti ɛno tuna yɛkyerɛ sɛ saa na yɛkɔ no deɛ ɛna no politician bia no ho a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhwie moja ɛde ma no sɛ meka wɔ kyerɛ Ghana mbabu ne hia sɛ wo no wa woto aba no wo nkwan ehia
Nene Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference so edo wano atumu bi wa abato a ene sika di mu akotene sa wa ma misika yanto ma wonom ne ade o sini nyina aka ho bi ne bebi ya bedu so man ya yentimi nkoye ne mu won so de nsemi oitu dwa wo Interparty Dialogue Committee for Election 2024 eho na won chotro ni ye Very Reverend Father Clement Kwasi Agye ede tu dwa se Ghana ni woton wo vote e kire se sebi woton wo nyansa Adom kase etwaso
eno ani abato no Ti ade ko simfie na hwena so ntimi anya na so bayesa na no asesa no. Na mmom awose omo so omo kire omo adwen kwan befa so a omo betumi aye oman ni ye betumi aye okuro ni betumi aye wamansi ni ye. Eno entina ma omo ekasa no. Eno ne campaign no. Eti ubeti npa kono na adwen na wahwe se ne wo so dia wohia ne wo ha ne ene ne kwa no ato ama no. Enye se oba no akontokwa enye sikatuatua ena ade kan so ma sika ba mu pe na oton wadwen oton wankasa oban se ne osombo no e de ama no ono so twes kama owie na okwa one okabim wanya hwe aba wo mani pa eno ara enye abato na se obi kunkum obi oni obi kuntokwa ebi aware egu da bi abato mfa
Franka Tuni de mind this year Manyoko ya John Dramani Mahama wono so ade to a Christopher Akandufo ni nyina nim so wo ya bato a ye hwe animo so nyame de befam ye 7 December ye be koyi Akandufo no wo de to mpanufo ye nim se yenyi o kandini a no kwaredie ne prepare ye e wona afemu na tumi aboa moman ne chichira kwa anim Adom TV etwaso.
In the Bible we are reminded in the book of Proverbs which says that when the righteous thrive, the people rejoice, and when the wicked rule, the people mourn. This verse underscores the profound impact that leadership has on the well-being of a nation and its people. Throughout the Bible, we're also presented with stories of leaders who guided their people with wisdom, with compassion, and with courage. My message to the good people of Ghana has been on the need to reflect on the importance of choosing leaders who embody these qualities and are committed to serving the best interests of our nation and its people. And so let us also consider how we as members of the Christian community can actively support and advocate for leadership rooted in the principles of justice, honesty, fairness, and compassion.
Osan editor manfwe enim sese womo ehwe na se womo to aba no ede ma no na December abato no ko na wiye na se eboni din so no no wadi nkunim a womanfo ehwe enim se ne mafofo kra ana woba ede abedandan ne mani e wo man mu ha na ne makoyi.
And so the church has a role to play in terms of making sure that the economy is well run so that our citizens and our congregations can have a better life. And the flagship of this change is my suggestion of a 24-hour economy. This, I believe, will be a game changer for the Ghanaian economy. It will benefit businesses, employment, and help the youth in terms of employment opportunities.
Anyoko Franka Tuni oyema mpani abedi achire ya Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia eno onodi adesre to Upper West Region mpanifo ni adehye nyina anim se mampani dada Mahama wabe mampani pen wachire ne watumi aye wose ye mo no so kwan no no so enye mampani no wonchire de obetumi aye. Adom TV etwaso.
To a close, I just want you to know that in this election, it's a choice between myself and the former president. But he has been president before. I haven't been president before. You have seen his handwriting already. You have not yet seen my handwriting. So I want you to give me the opportunity to also show what I can do. He will come for 4 years. He has only 4 years. So when you give him 4 years, he will not come back again. No accountability. As for me, I will know that in 4 years' time, I have to come back and speak to you, and you ask me questions. So I will work very hard. I will work very, very hard so that when I come back, I can answer your questions. So, but for him, he won't need to come back again. It will just be bye-bye, and you won't see him again. So for me, I believe that you can give me that opportunity so that I can implement so many of these ideas. I believe I can take Ghana to a different level. And I need your support, and I need your prayers. Thank you very much. God bless you.
A Council of Bishops, and sorry, I would war a dear much, and apomodin adwumayefo ayatete won mo pa anke wo so onim de ode ka ha no nyina bu anketem ekọ bi man so o kire mu say ye ohaw pa ye wo sempanifo ehwedo won nan si fom na ne nyina nso nya bibia se ahokyere be ye adwuma asem fifiri obekọ pension sika fia bi odin bosom mienu na asa ti wo se mpanifo do won nan si fom na ye bo Adom TV etwaso.
We want to ask you certain questions, how your party and your government will tackle, address some of the unanswered questions on our mind and the sufferings of the Ghanaian, the masses. There is too much pain and suffering in this country. All our doctors and our nurses are leaving this country. And we just pray that things will be well handled and managed in transparency and fairness, that we will not end up being refugees in any other country, because without proper fairness and honesty and transparency, things may fall out of hand.
National Democratic Congress NDC amanyokonu flag bearer John Dramani Mahama edito manfo enim se obehwe na ba womo ebebai wode niema egu akwam se ne niema ebetimi atotoye na wosan edito wonanim se womo enhwe se Electoral Commission no nedwuma obeye no obegina mfimfini.
We're going to police the election every step of the way, but sometimes there are things that are difficult to control. For instance, our last complaint was about recruitment of returning officers. You heard Hobson Adoye on radio. We went to a Jisuba election without the list of returning officers. There are things that we can do as a party, but the EC must be fair and neutral and let the will of the people speak. And that is where the influence and the persuasion that you carry as Christian fathers and the moral voice of the nation is important.
Menyo no Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de asie aseda ne ye wodia emre ne adaje a wode ma yen erade fa nkomra somdwem ne mum sa akoso ahwe ye wo Facebook/Adom TV Extra, YouTube ya Adom TV2 wo benya ye fi se de bonkrata any online stories no ye de toaso ye ba sisi ye nche ne atoaso.